Hey, Shells Tails. It's 5 a.m. And look at this crescent moon, or half of a crescent moon, or whatever size moon it is back there. It's 5 a.m. And in 2 hours, the sun will be coming up under the bottom left-hand side there. Never knew the moon and sun were that close. Thought it was supposed to be over here somewhere, where the stars going down on that side. But we learned a lot during our life on this planet. Everything we once knew is all a mirage. But it's a beautiful mirage. Maybe it's not. But as always, I love you, and so does God. Amen. It's really big. Oh, and the redbirds. Oh, good morning, everybody. Okay. Good morning. I was coming to show you the sun that was coming up at 7 a.m. 2 hours after the moon went somewhere over there, I guess. Redbird. Two redbirds, two redbirds. And that deer is still out there at the bush. Oh, that's so cute. Is that other bird really red? I think that's the girl cardinal. One's redder than the other one. I think they stay as partners. They're having a fence dance. He flew to her. Look at that. Oh, guys, that's so beautiful. He's gonna follow her. The deer's back out. Look, he came back out. He's coming this way.